أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful.
يسألونك عن الأنفال قل الأنفال لله والرسول فاتقوا الله وأصلحوا ذات بينكم وأطيعوا الله ورسوله إن كنتم مؤمنين.
They ask you about the bounties. Say, the bounties are for Allah and the Messenger, so be mindful of Allah, and settle your differences, and obey Allah and His Messenger, if you are believers.
إنما المؤمنون الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم وإذا تليت عليهم آياته زادتهم إيمانا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
The believers are those whose hearts tremble when Allah is mentioned, and when His revelations are recited to them, they strengthen them in faith, and upon their Lord they rely.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Those who perform the prayer, and from our provisions to them, they spend.
أولئك هم المؤمنون حقا لهم درجات عند ربهم ومغفرة ورزق كريم.
These are the true believers. They have high standing with their Lord, and forgiveness, and a generous provision.
كما أخرجك ربك من بيتك بالحق وإن فريقا من المؤمنين لكارهون.
Even as your Lord brought you out of your home with the truth, some believers were reluctant.
يجادلونك في الحق بعدما تبين كأنما يساقون إلى الموت وهم ينظرون.
Arguing with you about the truth after it was made clear, as if they were being driven to death as they looked on.